Cats here playing Chica Bonita Lightning Dollar Link, and I got the free spin bonus, so wish me luck. We're on dimes. Let's get a bonus of the bonus. Come on, let's do it. All right, we got some donkeys. Come on, bonus in the bonus. Wild. Oh, look at all the donkeys there. Holy cow, it's a coin show. It's almost a full screen. We only missed it by one. Wow, each line's paying 10 bucks. Nice. Nice. Fred used to have a miniature donkey named Copenhagen. This reminds me of that. He even knew how to pull a cart. Wow, look at this, over 100 bucks. So I put my $75 of free play in this game and I won absolutely nothing. And I had $20 of cash, so I kept playing. My free play's over, but I mean, I'm still up. So nice. Wow, I'm gonna hit the button because we still have more free games. 178 bucks. Come on, let's get the bonus in the bonus right here. Wild. Oh, 9. Come on, coins, coins. Woo, come on, coins. Match. Ugh. Oh, we got the donkeys. Well, at least Copenhagen's paying today. We got 2 more spins. Come on, coins. Ugh. Come on, bonus in the bonus. All right. Well, $179.50. I'll take it. I put 20 bucks in the machine, $75 of free play. We're almost at 200. Let's do some backup spins. And one more. Come on. All right, we're gonna cash out $192.70. This is Chica Bonita Lightning Dollar Link. We're at the win. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're the Slot Cats. Meow for now.
All right, so we're playing Dollar Storm. This is Egyptian Jewels, and decided I'm gonna start on nickels. We got $100 of change in the machine, so I think I'm going to start at $1.25 and see how it does. Wish me luck. Here at Emerald Island, it's a pretty cool place. Need 3 of those for the bonus. 6 of those jewels for the hold and spin. But you already all know that. Oh my gatos. Dude. Chick. $15. Let's do that all day long, huh? One of my favorite bets, $3.75. Come on, bonus. Alright, come on. In the free spins, we get those bonus multipliers. Those are awesome. Slot Cats rule. Nickels, $3.75 bet. It is time. Give it up. $7.50 trigger. Let's dance. 6 spins. Love the music. $30 for that line 10 line hit. We're off to a great start. Oh, come on, hold the spin. Well, we definitely want the bonus in the bonus. We have 2 spins remaining. Come on. Last spin. There we go. Another $30 on line 17. So always hoping for more, but let's help it out. $67.50 will do that all day long. Let's do a backup spin.
Good job, baby.
Okay, we're in Profitery. Start with $100. This is Dollar Storm Egyptian Jewels.
Hey, playing Checkered Flag, Lightning Dollar Link, and we got a bonus. So I played my free play, no bonuses. And now I was just playing down my winnings, switched to min bet, and got the bonus. So let's get a bonus in the bonus. Come on. Wild. Come on, be wild. Oh, good. Let's do it. Okay, trophies. We got girls. Alright. This game is so loud. I have it turned like on the second volume and it's still super loud. It's crazy. Wild. Alright. We need matching. Retrigger. Almost retriggered. We got trophies, but we didn't have enough. Retrigger. Yay! We retriggered. Come on, Checker Flag. We've been playing for a while. Let's get a really big bonus here. Alright, we got 8 more spins. Come on, trophies. Do it. Yes! We got the bonus and the bonus. bonus. Now we need, I want to be like Mary and get a triple major. Let's do it. Come on, drop them. Oh, come on, trophies. Lots of trophies. There we go. So we're on the 1 cent denom. I switched to min bet because I wasn't winning. And first spin, got the bonus. It happens. Come on, we need another trophy with words. Oh, there we go. So we got 12. We need 3 more trophies for that grand. Oh, there we go. We need 2 more trophies. Let's do it. Oh, we need 1 more trophy. You know, I got the grand on Dragon Link, so it's totally possible, right? Let's do it. Come on, be in there, trophy. Be in there. Come on, trophy. All right, last try. Come on, get it. Oh, we need to see one. Come on. No trophies, but we're still in the bonus. So, you know, I put $100 of free play. And so this is all playing on their money, so we'll take it. $21 hold and spin bonus. I'm gonna help it out. We still have 10 more free games. Look, this was 6 of 16. 10 more. Let's do it again. Trophies. Trophies. No. Dudes. All right, wild. It's not listening. Trophies or wilds? Oh, dudes. Come on, wild. Trophies. Oh, we could have had trophies. Darn it. Trophies or wilds? Oh, man. 4 more spins. Come on. We re-triggered again. I don't know that I've ever re-triggered it twice. It's going to give us 24 spins. How crazy is that? 24. We're halfway through now. Wow. Checker Flag. Oh, re-trigger again. That would have been crazy. All right. We need to get a big, huge, big win here. Come on. 3 more trophies. Oh. Where's our Checkered Flag? Come on, Checker Flag. Trophies. No. No dead spins. Come on, trophies, trophies, trophies. Well, we got some kings. All right. Come on, trophies. Let's do the bonus and bonus. 2 more. Yes, we got it. We got the trophies. And look, I got a $20 trophy, a $10 trophy, $5. Look at that. What is that? 40 bucks to start. Nice. And we still have more spins. It's bananas. Come on, trophies. Fill it in. There we go. Oh, I saw the minis go by. I think it was a double. I saw the minor too. Woo, come on. Let's get some words. Word us. Come on, Minnie. I see you. Do it. Trophy. There we go. Let's just fill them in. Trophies. Oh, come on. Let's get us some more. Trophy. Oh, we got to save it. Come on, save it. Trophies. Yes. Keep going. Drop them. Come on, words. Words. All right. Come on, we need 4 more. Trophies. Let's do it. Oh, I saw that mini. Oh, again, it was there. Come on, drop it. Trophy. Do it. Do it. Oh, that's all right. This is a big one. And we still have 7 more free spins. I retriggered twice. Crazy. There's the $20 trophy. There's the $10 trophy. Look at this one's 47 bucks. Nice. We get a coin show. I think this is definitely my favorite version of Lightning Dollar Link. I love this checkered flag version. So much fun to play. I'm gonna help it out. Look at us. We're up to $79. We're playing on their money. This is awesome. One more retrigger. Oh my gosh, we retriggered again. 32 spins. I have never retriggered this much as I play this game. That's my 3rd retrigger. Wow. On a dollar min bet. So bananas, right? Right? And look at all the games. Okay, wilds. Okay, that's good. 5 of a kind of those. It likes it. But look at 20 of 32 games. Crazy. Let's help it out. 93 bucks so far. Let's do it. Trophies. All right, come on. Come on, trophies. Trophies. Okay. That didn't match. 3 more trophies. Oh, we just missed it. Darn it. Trophies. 7 more spins. Match. All right, we got the dudes in the champagne. We need some matching. Come on. Match. Match. Didn't match. Oh, only 4 trophies. Come on, let's do it. 4 more spins. Let's get another hold and spin. Oh, trophies. No. All right, now we want trophies. We always want trophies. What am I saying? Do it. Last spin. Big finish. All right. Well, that was a $94 bonus on a dollar bet. I literally just switched to min bet because I had 16 bucks left. So crazy. Ticket's now up over 100 bucks. And this is all on free play. We'll do some bag of spins here. And one more. All right. We'll be back with another bonus on Checkered Flag, Lightning Dollar Link. Thanks for watching, everybody.